Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So the day has finally come where we go ahead and drop the Bronco off for its first pretty big mod change, whatever you want to call it. Today we are going to be dropping the Bronco off at the company that is going to be doing the wrap on the Bronco. We're going to go with a full color change. I kind of like the cyber orange, but the wife isn't loving it. Cyber orange was never really my first choice for color anyway. I really would have loved to get black or gray, since, you know, I kind of have a thing for black cars, obviously. But yeah, cyber orange was the only available Wildtrak that I could find for a reasonable price that was local, so that's what we got stuck with. But the color choice that we are actually going to go with, I'm not entirely sure if I put it in the title or not yet, since I'm just filming it right now, but we are going with an Inozetek Nardo Grey. I haven't seen any other Nardo Grey Broncos yet, so this might be the first. I honestly haven't even seen any other Inozetek colored Broncos yet, so we might be a first for both of them there. But I'm going to be doing a full color change on the Bronco, so yeah, pretty excited, pretty stoked about it. I do plan on changing out the fenders eventually to either the Fun Haver fenders that aren't available yet, or to the ADV 5-inch flares. Those aren't out yet either, but you know, we'll get those eventually and we'll rewrap those to match everything. But it'll be pretty cool just to get it, you know, wrapped for now. And like I had mentioned before in my other video, the beadlock rings are getting powder coated right now to match the cyber orange. So the cyber orange is going to be basically like the accent color. I think it'll really look well matched with the Nardo Grey, mainly because on the inside as well, you can see like the roll bar or cage, whatever you want to call it. When the roof is off, you're still going to see that. And honestly, I really plan on taking the roof off and leaving it off for a while and storing it in the garage. So all this is still going to be orange. We're not going to be wrapping all of that. It's just going to be the exterior body color. So it's, you know, I think it's going to complement well the orange with the gray. That's why I decided to go ahead and get the beadlocks color matched as well, since, you know, again, that's going to be the accent color. And for now anyway, I do also have the Bilsteins on here, since it is a Sasquatch Wildtrak, since not all Wildtraks have the Sasquatch package, so Bilsteins come standard. That's kind of like a yellow color as well. And, you know, again, it's all gonna more or less tie together. So really sweet. I do plan on switching out the suspension. Eventually I'm gonna go with a mid-travel kit with coilovers and all that, but since parts aren't readily available right now, we're just gonna rock the Bilsteins, and I'm probably gonna throw a 1-inch level in the front with some 37s. So yeah, just thought I'd you know, tell you guys what's going on. So got the car washed up yesterday in preparation for it. Gonna go get it dropped off, and in about a week you guys will see the final product. So for me, it's gonna be kind of a long wait, but fortunately for you guys, it's going to be more or less instant. So let's go ahead and get it dropped off. All right, guys, here we are at the wrap place. So gonna go get this thing parked up, drop it off, and yeah, it's gonna be a long week for me because I'm very excited to see it. I got the Alpha right there. So yeah, say goodbye to the cyber orange, guys. Okay, change of plans. So a few hours later now, and the wrap shop had just called and said they opened up the box of vinyl to go ahead and get started, and it was the wrong color. So Inozetek had accidentally put the wrong roll into the wrong box. So no big deal, but I went ahead and picked up the Bronco. It's going to take a few days for them to get the actual correct color, so there was no point in having the Bronco sitting outside of the shop. So just a small delay, no big deal, but gonna go ahead and take it home now, and hopefully we can get this thing wrapped sooner than later. So I'll keep you guys updated. All right, so we finally got the Bronco back from the vinyl wrap shop. It was a few weeks delay since like I explained earlier, they had accidentally received I think it was khaki or something, or army green instead of the Nardo Grey. So they had to go ahead and get the Nardo Grey ordered, and it was like, 2 weeks back ordered, but whatever, it's no big deal, shit happens. I'm super happy with the actual results of it. It looks awesome in video. I haven't really seen it yet because I haven't edited it, obviously, but in pictures, it kind of looks almost kind of like the cactus gray that Ford does offer, but trust me, this is like a true Nardo Grey. It definitely looks darker than the actual cactus gray. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking, and I'm gonna show you guys what the Inozetek Nardo Grey looks like on a 2022 Bronco Wildtrak. There it is, everyone. Finally wrapped. No more school bus yellow, as my wife likes to call it. So, just give you guys a quick walk around. Like I was saying, and I'm looking at the camera right now, it looks almost kind of like the cactus gray, but trust me, this is a darker gray than that color. Again, this is Inozetek Nardo Grey. It looks awesome. Nardo Grey is like an Audi color. If you guys don't know what that is, I keep referring to it. It's Nardo Grey. It's an actual paint. But obviously this is vinyl wrapped. So we no longer have the Wildtrak stripes down the side, but they did go ahead and retain the one up here on the hood. Down here, this has all been spray wrapped. So, kind of like, a plasti dip almost. But, yeah, because that would have been, cyber orange, like the pinch weld and all that. So they went ahead, blacked all that out. I'm still waiting on my beadlock rings. Those are going to be cyber orange to give it an accent color. And you can see back here, they went ahead and spray wrapped the hinges as well, since those are painted to, body color when obviously it was cyber orange. So over here as well. And then another cool thing is, you can see back there, the roll bar is still cyber orange, and obviously the door hinges as well. That's a huge project and a much bigger expense if you wanted to get the door jambs and all of this wrapped. I truthfully never think I'm gonna have the doors off on this thing because I have a little one, so that's never gonna be seen. But yeah, as you can see back here, the roll bar, that's still cyber orange. So that's kind of like the theme I'm going for, is the cyber orange as an accent color with the Nardo Grey. It's gonna look, wicked, I think. I'm gonna pop the roof off in a video that I have coming out for you after this one, so you'll get to see exactly what it looks like. But yeah, I'm stoked. I think it's also cool because you kind of get like that little accent color in the Wildtrak badge as well. And inside, or down here, I mean, with the Bilstein shocks. So yeah, I'm super stoked with it. I'm very happy with how it came out. They did a great job with the actual install, so super happy. I think it looks awesome. And like I keep mentioning on video, it's probably gonna look like cactus gray, but trust me, it's a lot different. It's a lot darker actually in person. I'll try and get like some good edited photos and throw them in the video so you can see exactly, what I'm referring to. But yeah, I'm stoked to get the beadlock rings back now so I could go ahead and finally see the whole vision come to life. But yeah, Inozetek, vinyl wrapped. This was, how much was the final cost? It was a little over $3,000 to get this done. I want to say it was like $3,100, said and done. So yeah, it's, not a super cheap project, but it's not, horrible. Cyber orange wasn't our first color choice. I would have loved to get black, but I just found one at the dealership, went and bought it, so it was what it was. I liked the cyber orange, the wife didn't. This is going to be the wife's car, so, or SUV, so make her happy, get her what she wants. But yeah, I'm super stoked with it. I'm gonna do like a more better, like, cinematic video later on with, the roof off and, all that stuff, to make it look, cool on video for you guys. But this was just gonna be kind of like the reveal video. I'm super happy with it. So yeah, thought I'd just, you know, make a quick video for you guys. So far, the little Bronco build's coming along well. We got the new bumper down here, SVC off-road bumper. We got the Bronco LED Raptor grill light kit. Obviously the wrap has been done. We got the beadlock rings that are going to be coming pretty soon. And then we got a bimini top that we're going to be installing. I have an exhaust on order, an intake on order, a blow-off valve on order, just for, you know, some little performance kind of cool things. And then as far as suspension is going to go, I think I'm going to do the SVC leveling kit and then probably switch them out for some upper control arms. But that's going to do it for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. I hope you like the vinyl wrap. I absolutely love it. So yeah, if you like the build, you like the TRX, you like the Bronco, you like these types of videos, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. We're almost at 6,000 subscribers, so that's super cool. You know, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. You know, like the button, you know, hit that like button, share the video. All that stuff is always super appreciative, and it helps with the YouTube algorithm. So yeah, do all that fun stuff. My name is Will. This is the Women YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later, everybody.